SB19 baby Sonara Wagi sa Billboard. We did it. The final count is in and we just took the crown. Hashtag Sonara finishes with the highest votes as the official top class group of P-Pop Billboard 2026. P-Pop Billboard Class of 2026, the top class group is Sonara of Onesie Entertainment. We have no words, just endless tears and pure pride right now. From day one up until the very last second, you guys showed up, stood your ground, and proved exactly what this fandom can do. To every single person who voted, dropped power votes, stayed up late, and mobilized the entire fandom to bring us to the absolute number one spot. Maraming salamat po. Super na-appreciate talaga ang bawat effort, puyat at pagmamahal na ibinigay nyo para sa girls. We promised them the top and thanks to your unstoppable power, we delivered. Sonara is sitting comfortably at the very peak. Ready na ang P-pop world sa Sonara power, hindi lang natin nakuha ang pinakamataas na boto. We just sent a massive statement. The scene better get ready because our girls are officially the head of the class. Unti-unti nga ay lumalakad na sa yapak ng SB19 ang Sonara. Samantala, sa naging post naman ni I Want You SB19, isa nga pong 18 ang nananawagan na mababait daw ba ang mga 18. Ang cutie sana maka-attend din ng OPM Con, then bigyan ng freebie si tatay. Mula sa isang fan, sinabi niyang nice people ba ang 18? Manood mag-isa ang tatay kong 65-year-old sa OPM Con dahil SB19 bias daw niya si Stel. Well, for sure po yan, napaka-nice po ng mga 18 at siguradong si tatay ay nasa good hand. Ayan. Siguradong marami ding freebies ang pag-uwi ni tatay dahil manonood nga daw po itong mag-isa. At ang kanyang bias ay si Stel na nagdiwang ng kanyang kaarawan kahapon. Samantala, nalalapit na rin ang Stella Dance Jam Regatta SB1918 sa Saturday na pala to. May ticket na ba kayo? May mga available pang seats. Don't miss the chance to see SB19 and Regatta together at Stella Dance Jam. Buy your tickets now. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.